Hello students, good morning. Let's start today's class. Dear student, today we will revise the remaining part of chapter 3, that is movements of the earth. First question is, what is the direction of the earth's rotation on its axis? In this question, you have to tell about what is the direction of the earth's rotation on its axis. You have to tell the direction about the earth rotation, means in which direction earth used to rotate. The direction of the earth's rotation on its axis is west to east. The answer will be west to. The direction of the earth's rotation on its axis is west to east. बेटा जो हमारी अर्थ है वो वेस्ट डायरेक्शन से ईस्ट डायरेक्शन की तरफ रोटेट करती है. Keep in mind, if question will be framed from this answer, then question will be like this: the direction of the earth's rotation on its axis is dash. In option there will be given west to east, east to west, north to south, south to north. So you have to choose the right one. So right answer will be west to east. Next is, what is the shape of the earth's orbit? बेटा orbit means होता है the path on which all planets moves around the sun. सन के चारों तरफ जब सारे प्लैनेट चक्कर लगाते हैं तो एक निश्चित पाथ में लगाते हैं, निश्चित रास्ता होता है उनका, उसको बोलते हैं बेटा एलिप्टिकल पाथ, या यू कैन से ऑर्बिट. दैट इज कॉल्ड ऑर्बिट. द शेप ऑफ द अर्थ's orbit is elliptical or slightly oval shaped. Slightly oval shaped means, just suppose it is sun. It is sun and the planets moves around the sun. So what will be the path? Path will be like this. So it is the elliptical orbit, means slightly oval shaped. This is the path on which all the planet used to move. So the shape of the earth's orbit, elliptical or slightly oval shaped. You can see here it is slightly oval shaped, not exactly. List two factors that affect seasons. In this question you have to tell about the two factors which affect season, जो कि season को प्रभावित करता है. The two factors that affect seasons are the angle of the sun rays. The angle of the sun rays means beta the part of the land which face direct heat of the sun. On that part there will be summertime, or you can say there will be too much heat, and the part of the earth which get little bit sunlight or not directly heat of the sun, that part of land will have less temperature, or you can say there will be cold temperature, and the part of land which doesn't get the sunlight or little bit get the sunlight, that part of area there will be too much cold. So keep in mind, the angle of the sun the angle of the sun determine which type of weather and which type of climate will be there on the different regions on the earth. So angle of the sun's rays, and next is the length of the days. As we know, in summer we know in the summer days are longer and nights are shorter. डेज आर लॉन्गर का मतलब बेटा जो सन की लाइट है उस पार्ट ऑफ एरिया पे ज़्यादा देर तक रहती है, इसलिए समर टाइम रहता है, दिन लंबा होता है। रात छोटी होने का मतलब है कि दिन लंबा होता है, इसलिए रात छोटी होती है। ऑन द अदर हैंड, इफ sun's light fall for a very short period of time, as we enjoy in winter time, very less time sun's light we get. So in that time sun rays fall for a short period of time of the day. So in the winter time days are shorter and nights are longer. Okay, keep in mind. Dear student, by this the chapter 3 is completed, and now we will study chapter 4, studying the earth. Studying the earth. First of all, we will see the exercise. Circle the correct options. Here statement are given and the two options are also given there, and you have to choose the right one. First question is, the navigational instrument invented by the Greeks helped in measuring latitude. In this question, you have to tell about the instrument which is helpful in measuring the latitude and invented by the Greeks. So what will be the answer? Answer will be sextant. What did John Hadley invent? John Hadley ने क्या invent किया था? You have to tell in this question. So right answer will be sextant. Sextant is invented by John Hadley. Dear student, one thing that I want to correct you. The navigational instrument invented by the Greeks helped in measuring latitude. That will be answer. Correct answer will be astrolabe. Do it correct. Next is, what did John Hadley invent? John Hadley invent sextant. Next is, maps are one-dimensional, two-dimensional. Maps are one-dimensional or two-dimensional. So maps are, the right answer will be maps are two-dimensional. Next and the last one is the magnetic compass used for. Answer will be measuring axis and finding direction. What will be the right answer? Magnetic compass. All we know that magnetic compass is used for finding direction. It is used by voyagers maximum, and where we are and we don't have any idea about the direction, there we can use this instrument to check, to see the condition, to see the direction. So it's all about our today's class. Keep on watching the video and do comment in comment box and try to learn all the things properly because your half yearly examination is coming. So I hope you understand all the things. Thank you. Enjoy your day. Have a nice day.